This is MOV, okay, taken from LED driver circuit 07D561K, its value, okay, value of this MOV you can see here. One means size in mm, its size, okay, diameter is 7 mm. It shows 07 shows its size in mm, and d is diameter means its diameter is 07 mm means 7 mm. Next 561 means it is voltage. Okay, so here 561 means 560 volts it will control, and this is the k is constant means it is k means 1. Okay, we can consider as 0. Okay, 560 volts its working voltage, it take this much voltage. Okay, we using this MOV we made here uh, one voltage surge uh, plug. Okay, components are MOV, and this is 2-pin plug, and 1 ampere fuse. You can see here 1 ampere fuse we can using here. Okay, we now start the connection. First we can take 1 ampere fuse and connect to 2-pin plug. First point, in series. Okay, at the same point we, okay, this is MOV already we have seen. Okay. Next, okay, 2-pin plug next point is connected to MOV second point. Okay, you can see here connection is over. This is the one leg of 2-pin plug, and this one is the another one leg. Okay, set it into a 2-pin plug. In this type, in a 2-pin plug, and we connect here this fuse terminal, another terminal 1 ampere fuse is connected to appliance 1 point. This is the 1 point of appliance. We connected here on lamp. Connected one terminal of the lamp, and next another terminal of lamp is given to another point of 2-pin plug. Means here we connect the lamp another point. Like this connection, and finally we fit it in the 2-pin plug. Pack it with the help of screw. Okay, we make surge protection plug. Okay, you can make, it's very easy, you can make in your home. That's the circuit. Okay, this is the surge protection open plug circuit. Okay, like this you can make in your home surge protection circuit and protect your circuit from voltage surge.